good, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So this is actually coming all the way from Ekwulobia in Anambra State, as the legendary billionaire, the youngest legendary billionaire from Ekwulobia, Anambra, Jowizaza, treats his friends to one of the most amazing weekends you can ever think of. Yes, he had a very magnificent party at his residence in Ekwulobia, and trust me, it was awesome. As usual, I always bring you the highlights from every single beautiful billionaire event for motivation purpose and to make you understand that yes, you too can do it. You can see how money is actually raining. Anyway, let me not say much. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Chaka biaga egwe menu Obi Cubana odomu na wi egwu Amalu sekene kolo kene Kimasu wa buru je buru na Ni banyu na egwe menu Obonye ka ni le ku na wi egwu Azo moga Amalu sekene kolo kene Kimasu wa
Yankee, a billionaire rocker, a billionaire rocker. Osh baby, are you there?
The vintage #1
in Anambra life.
I'm telling you, then.
In Ekwulobia.
We are inside. You joke. Don't be island. As I land, I hear somebody, they give me one person number. I say, where the motor is, take over. Now I say, goodbye. I say, take over.
I have a tago. Honorable. Is that rice, Kuku? What's this?
It looks like swallow.
Wow.
It's a bit of swallow. It's not healthy.
Abattoir, what's that?
It's head cow. What is your swallow by this time?
It goes all on the Shutdown. Let's go. Where did you park?
Recognize you. Honor you. It's not easy for the Pope to call you up and give you this type of honor. So that cake, place your hand on the knife. The wife will put her.
With them. Thanks for all you do.